guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I make chickpeas or garbanzo beans. This dish is high in protein and make an excellent replacement for meat in vegetarian or vegan dishes. So let me show you over here. I have 5 pounds of garbanzo beans, guys. I washed and soaked it overnight. So now it's the next day. It's time to cook this garbanzo beans. Okay, I'm gonna put half of these beans right into my pressure cooker. Then I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add some water into this pot. And you want to add water like up to like 2.5 inches above the beans. Once I do this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and this is going to help to speed up the cooking process. Now, I know most people do not like the pressure cooker, but you can boil your beans until it becomes very soft. I'm going to place the cover and let this cook until it is soft. So as you can see now, it's finished cooking. It is soft and nice. Now I'm going to prepare some chives, garlic, and onion, and I'm going to cut them up. So I'm going to be using some red pepper. I did take out the seeds and membrane from the pepper. As you can see here, I also have some smoked paprika, cumin powder, black pepper, and cumin seeds. So over here, over medium heat, I have a pan, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil, and this is because I'm doing a lot of beans. So I add the cumin seeds and garlic, and you want to fry this until it's golden brown, not too dark in color. And this helps to bring out the warm and rich aroma. It gives your food a lot of flavor. So as you can see, I'm stirring, making sure that they fry, and we're going to end up with a beautiful brown color. Now I'm going to add the onion. Once you add the onion, guys, this cumin seed and garlic is not going to get any darker, trust me. And then you want to give it a nice stir. Saute this for another minute. Then add the pepper. Give it a nice little stir again. And now I'm going to add the chives in here. I'm only going to use half of the amount. And at this time, you just want to give it a nice little stir. Not for a whole minute, you know. Then I'm going to move right over to the beans. Alright, so I'm going to add some cumin powder. Then I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Then all the goodness of the spices with the oil right up into the beans. And then you want to give it a good stir, making sure that every grain of the beans are covered with the spices. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the chives right up in here and stir again. So guys, let me tell you, this is such a good form of protein, alright? If you're vegan, like I said earlier, or vegetarian, then this dish is for you. Very satisfying, very healthy. I place them into my serving tray, then garnish with a little bit more chives, and here you have it. And let me tell you, I've been doing so much for today, so let me give you a sneak peek. Here I have some whole wheat beef patties, some Scotch eggs, and some colored sandwiches, along with my chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Here you have it, guys. I'm going to cover them up and then give them over to the owner. So if you like my video, don't you forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy!